So in this Aldi haul, I got 4 cans of tuna. They're 95 cents each, and this is skipjack sustainably caught tuna in water. And I got 3 packs of salmon, fresh, never frozen. Some people say don't ever get Atlantic salmon. I'm not sure why they say that. If you know, put a comment in the comment section. I really like Cafe Bustelo. This is a great espresso coffee, and it's really economically priced. I think it's less than $3 at Aldi for 10 ounces of coffee. You know, it's a good price. Got me some whole grain mustard. Also got lots of vegetables, baby spinach and arugula, French green beans. I'm not sure why they cost more than regular green beans. They were $1 more, but I really like these. I got some asparagus, a salad kit. Really, I like the mix of lettuce. And this happens to be on sale for 99 cents, so it'll get eaten. Brussels sprouts, peppers, portobello mushrooms. I got a bag of these honey gold potatoes, which taste really great when baked. I did get some vanilla ice cream. It's made out of almond milk. It's really good. And I can actually get the 4 servings out of this. I'm at the point now where I don't binge on the ice cream. And I got some grapes, pack of toilet tissue, 12 rolls. They're still limiting these to 1. Some cans of LaCroix. Mango is my favorite flavor. What else? Always like to keep some frozen vegetables on hand. So this is mixed vegetables. I like to cook these and then add either olive oil and garlic salt, or sometimes ghee and garlic salt. Got some jumbo shrimp. Then I got some gluten-free pizza. So this is cauliflower crust pizza margarita style. I am actually going to have pizza tonight, and I am gonna have this one. Yes, on a weight loss journey, and occasionally I do eat pizza. This is the Live G free, gluten free as well. This is cheese pizza. I've never tried either brand, and if you want to know what it's like, put a comment in the comment section, or if you've tried these, put a comment in the comment section. I'd love to know what you think. And then I also bought peanut puffs. These are crunchy corn snacks made with freshly ground peanuts, imported from Germany. And I'm just gonna give them a try. So yeah, I just gave away a whole box of snacks and purchased some of my own, but there you have it. So yeah, this is my Aldi haul. I will be doing some meal prep tomorrow, and this will definitely last me more than a week, particularly the salmon. But yeah, I'll be good to go. So I was able to get my meal prep done. I am in good shape for the beginning of the week. I do like to do some prepping on the weekend, and typically on Sundays, sometimes Saturdays, and then do some more prepping on Wednesday or Thursday, depending on how things go. So I've got a couple of boiled eggs. I will have these for 2 eggs for breakfast, and then I'll have a protein shake. I will also have some tuna fish for lunch. And what I did was prepare a large container of salad. I will take this tomorrow. I've got some chickpeas and some lettuce and all, and I will add the tuna to this bowl. I have a really delicious dressing. It's called, it's a Tessemae ranch dressing, and it's so flavorful. I actually will not do anything to the tuna, but I'll just put the dressing on top. I also have in here, I've got baked salmon, spinach, and chickpeas. In here I have salmon, Brussels sprouts, string beans, and potatoes. And then in here I also have the same thing. So salmon, Brussels sprouts, string beans, and potatoes. I may add a little bit more green veg to this if I'm really hungry on that particular day. So yeah, so this is my meal prep. I have learned from experience not to try to prep for the entire week because I get tired of eating the food and it just doesn't taste that good to me. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. It really helps me out. And thank you so much for your support because this channel is growing and I'm getting so much support for my weight loss journey. I hope all is well in your world. And as always, be blessed. Good night.